Guys, Peter Bradrick with the Red Banner team at Keller Williams here. Hey, today I want to talk to you about roofs and roof maintenance. Since we sell houses for a living and we coach people on how to maximize their real estate investment, one of the biggest things for us to address here in Kitsap County is the combination of one of your biggest house investments, which happens to be your roof, being constantly attacked by our weather here in the great Pacific Northwest. And here to talk to you about that with me is my friend Ryan Nelson, owner of Cornerstone Cleaning. Ryan, let's talk about roof maintenance.
Let's do it.
All right, Ryan, so here's the deal. We've got clients all over Kitsap County who own homes, and one of their biggest investments in home maintenance is this big expensive roof.
Yeah.
And in an unusual way, here in this particular neck of the woods, we have a ton of rain that happens to constantly attack our roofs and the entire envelope of the outside of the house. So I want you to talk to us about how do our clients maximize their roof investment, keep it to last as long as possible, and what should they be thinking about on not days like today that are sunny, but we're smack dab in the middle of our long, dark winter. What should people be thinking about as far as roof maintenance?
Yeah, so pretty much, you know, when it rains, it hits a sweet spot where it dries out, but not all the way. It kind of makes it like a green room for moss.
Makes a roof like a green room?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it grows moss. So typically the moss will grow in the seams down here. You can see.
Okay.
You can't see it on this because this is a new roof, but it'll grow in the seams and grow moss, and that could eat away at the shingle and take a 20-year roof life down to 10 years or even shorter.
We see that all the time where you got what should be a decent, fantastic roof that's only a few years old that actually looks way older than it should be. And so you're saying literally by just letting the moss grow, it can cut the roof life in half?
Yeah, it could cut it in half, even more, just depending on your tree coverage and all that.
So obviously, wait till the mailman goes fast. Obviously, you guys do roof cleaning professionally.
Yes.
So if somebody doesn't want to hire you, which might be the best choice they could possibly make, what do they do? How do you maintain a roof?
Yeah, so if you don't want to hire us, totally fine. Here are the tips and tricks. First off, be safe. So right now, we're not wearing, any safety gear. I'm at a friend's house, and so, we're taking that risk. But, if you're going to do it, make sure you're safe. First thing you're going to want to do is kill the moss. If you're doing it on your own at home, you can use a baking soda treatment right before it rains. You just put it on the ridge line. When the rain happens, that'll run down your roof, killing
like a big old thick coat on the top strip.
Yeah, on the top ridge. With these vents, you'd want to go underneath that. So as it rains down, it'd wash that away. It would kill, kill the moss that's there. Then you're going to want to go up with a wire brush, a push broom, to kind of release the moss.
After it's dead, because it's still going to be there, but just dead.
Yeah.
So the baking soda kills the moss.
The baking soda will kill the moss. Yeah, then you're going to want to push it away, and then you just want to keep on treating it. So on a roof like this, I would treat this 2 or 3 times a year, depending on tree coverage.
Okay.
Just because it's easier to keep on maintenance, and it's better for your roof.
Okay, so in this case, brand new roof, how do we make sure that the moss doesn't get on it? You're saying just a regular baking soda treatment? Yeah, between
October and April, I'd come up here 2 or 3 times, put baking soda on the ridge lines and underneath the vent caps, and make sure that I never have a moss problem.
Crazy. All right, so in most cases, people haven't done that level of maintenance from a brand new roof.
Yeah.
And so you've got all that. The whole reason why they might be watching this and thinking, shoot, I should actually solve the problem, is because they have a moss issue. And so you're saying, put it on, kill it, and then you got all this dead moss on your roof?
Yeah, so it's easier to remove once you kill it. Since we're, doing, 5 to 20 jobs a day, depending on the size, we don't go out and kill it beforehand. But we're trained professionals that, we know how to remove the moss that's actively growing without killing your roof.
Yeah.
So the people who are doing it at home that haven't been doing it for years should definitely kill it before, so it doesn't ruin your roof in the removal process. It comes off easier.
So step 1, kill it. how long do you wait before you go back up there with your wire brush program?
3 to 4 weeks.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So 3 to 4 weeks later, you go back up there. Are you literally scooting on your butt with a wire brush?
You could do it with a hand wire brush. You could get one that screws onto a pole. If it's big clumpy moss, you could get at it with a push broom, and that that'll get 75% of it.
Love it.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Cool.
Guys, maintain your roofs. When I come to help you sell your house and maximize your home investment, one of the most important things that you can have is a well-maintained home, and obviously the roof being one of the biggest parts. Either hire Cornerstone Cleaning and Ryan's amazing team that goes all over Kitsap County, or do it yourself. How can people reach you, Ryan?
Yeah, you could call or text 360-620-7203.
Love it. All right, that's it for today. See you guys.